In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Alibaba notifications. If you're getting too many alerts from the app, this quick walkthrough will help you take control without missing what matters. Start by opening the Alibaba app and signing into your account. Make sure you're logged into the account you actually use for orders or messages so the changes apply where you expect them to. Once you're in, look for Menu, which often appears as the three horizontal lines in the corner, or tap My Account if that's what you see on your version of the app. Both paths lead to the same place, so use whichever is visible on your screen. From there, head into Settings. It's usually represented by a gear icon. This is where the app keeps controls for privacy, preferences, and notifications. Now open Notifications. On some versions, this may be labeled Message Notifications. Don't worry if the wording looks a little different. You're in the right section as long as you're viewing notification options. Here's where you can quiet things down. You'll see toggles for different categories. Turn off promotions and deals if you don't want marketing alerts. Switch off order updates only if you're comfortable not receiving shipping notices or delivery changes. Many people choose to leave this on so they don't miss important movement on their orders. Disable messages from suppliers. If you prefer not to be pinged when a seller replies, and you'd rather check messages manually, and turn off system alerts if general app notices aren't helpful to you. You can mix and match these, so tailor them to your needs. If you're unsure, start by disabling promotional notifications first, then adjust the rest based on what you actually miss. When you're done, simply leave the settings screen. Changes save automatically, so there's no separate save button to press. If you still see a notification badge right after making changes, give the app a moment or close and reopen it to refresh. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you're trying to reduce noise but keep essentials, consider leaving order updates on while silencing promotions. You can always come back later and toggle categories on or off as your needs change. Also, app versions may update their layout over time, so if labels move slightly, look for the same keywords, settings, then notifications or message notifications. That's it. You've customized your Alibaba notifications to match your preferences, and you can revisit these controls anytime to fine-tune your experience.